Good evening, friends. This is a evening video because as we speak, Russia has announced a vaccine. Now the issue here is not, the vaccine, whether it's Russian or Spanish or American. The issue here is that the discovery of a vaccine for the markets, while for mankind it's a great news, but the market has been trying to price this in for last many months, at least since March. Now, what is the impact you'll have on the economy? I don't think all of a sudden because of vaccine the economy will start rocketing, because demand takes time to come back. What will get impacted is the skewed nature of the market, where the stay-at-home FANG type stocks or pharma stocks, all of these guys, IT stocks, will go through a decent correction. Now, this is my perception of the situation. You can have your own perception. Don't go by my perception. Some of you are, commenting that what I say is not clear. Boss, if things were so clear, I wouldn't be telling you. What I generally point out is factors you need to keep in mind when you make your decisions. The decision has to be made by you, not by me. So, take things into account and use a reasonable stop and see if the market plays in your direction. If you think I know what will happen tomorrow or day after or next week, I don't. Okay. Back to the vaccine. My sense is that the vaccine will be, quote unquote, a turning point of the market, which will make people balance their portfolios from being very skewed in favor of stay at home. People would then have economy type stocks also. So my sense is that if this is the vaccine, or if things will the vaccines will start rushing in one after the other, I would think that we will possibly some sort of see cool off. Now, whether the cool off will happen tomorrow, will happen next week, I don't know, but just my little take that this could be the news on which markets could decide to take profits off. Keep this in mind. Today, we gapped up and we sold off. Last 5 days, if you see, every day you go up and then there is a sell-off. What does this mean? This means that obviously somebody is distributing stock. The other thing it means is that we don't have strength beyond a point, and the moment global markets turn, we will come down harder. If you see top 10-15 gainers today, you had either metal stocks or basically lagging type of stocks, a few financials, but nothing really of consequence In my view, the leadership is weakening. Okay, Reliance is weakening, IT is weakening. Now, each time the market weakens, it may or may not start a sell off. But, like I said yesterday, keep your umbrella ready. 11,250 is the point where you should be out of all long positions. That would be my view given these developments. Also, thank you for all the seats people have booked for the webinar. It's been a humongous response for us, and we hope to present give you your money's worth. So let's see what sort of build up we can have out there. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.